Alright everybody, gonna do a quick video here, and this is actually a question for Tyler. Hopefully you'll be able to help me here. Last 2 days I just put a tag on this red car. I'm on the Project GT, and basically took it out for its maiden voyage today. And the first trip we took it to, since I don't have a timing light, I have a buddy at a mechanic shop who has a timing light, so we shot the timing on the car. And the timing was out, so basically we timed it, it started to run better, everything was good, and then I got about, I'd say 2.5 miles down the road to a traffic light, and I was sitting there idling, and basically the car started to act funny, and it was kind of putting and pittering. RPMs were going up and down, and basically it just died. At that point when it died, I tried to start it, and all it would do was fire. It would kind of mumble and grumble and then die, and then it would do that. Did that for about 15 or 20 times. Then it finally started, and I was able to take it into a parking lot where basically it proceeded to do the same thing again, and I had to nurse it all the way back home. So I'm a little discouraged right now, but I'm hoping someone will know, or maybe Tyler will know what the hell is going on here, because I don't know. It sounds like an idle air control motor to me, but I'm not sure. I'm going to see what you guys think. I'm going to see if it'll do it right now. Probably not, but we'll try it. Alright, it's idling good. Figures it's not going to do it. Let's just let it get hot. I can hear it, it's kind of starting to figures when you try to get it to do it, it doesn't do it. I'm going to try it, rev it a few more times. Doesn't look like it's going to do it for us here. No, I know the problem's there, that's for sure. Maybe we'll take it around the block to warm it up a little bit. I don't really have anything to put the camera down on, so this might get a little shaky. Got to wiggle it out of the driveway. It's just frustrating because you put a lot of time into these things and get them cleaned up, and little dumb problems start to arise. But Hopefully it's small. Simulate a little drive in here. It does run a lot better now that it's timed, but I hope I just didn't open up another problem by timing it correctly. Well, we'll see. Neighborhood donkeys. See if she does it. I'm gonna let it sit here for a second. I just have a feeling. It's not doing it. It figures. As soon as I tried to take a video of it, I knew it would do it. Or I knew it wouldn't do it. Well, just for an update, when we got this thing timed, this whole distributor, loosey-goosey, wasn't tight at all. So, that's probably why there was a timing problem. But yeah, as for the new issue at hand, it doesn't seem like it's gonna surface itself right now, but I will catch it on video, that's for sure. Well, sorry this wasn't more entertaining as far as a problem. But I definitely will get this on video, guys. But I'll let this serve as an update. She is running good. And she's now tagged and on the road, so like I said, if it does it, I will get it on video and I'll post it. Sorry for the 10 minutes of wasted time, but see you guys later.